In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a hanging top side table tutorial in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can start from here. We can set the length of the bottom support table around 400 and 200, and then we can set offset inside, and then we can erase it, and then we can push it to the up till this position, and then we can make it group anyway. So then we can make another surfaces of in here with rectangle, just something like this. Okay, and then we can also make the vertical support. We can make the vertical support start from here and to be here. So and then we have to push it up anyway. We have to push it up around 500 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can make the rectangle over there. Okay, we can set the thickness around 40 millimeter. It's enough. So and then we can click this line, and then we can select move, and we can select control and duplicate it. Okay, and then select, we can select it, and then we can select move, and then we can press control and duplicate it. So and then we can push it to the front just a little bit, maybe around 100 millimeter only, approximately. Okay, just something like this, and then we can push it to the forward 100 millimeter also. Then we can make it all to be one group. Okay, we can just make the top side top table hanging. Okay, then we can select rectangle and push it to the up. Then you can push it to the forward anyway, just until this position. Then you can adjust for the another um, side anyway. Okay, so and then we can select it all anyway. Then we can make the stone material. We can sign with the stone material. Maybe you can use this, and then we can use this to the color. We can assign with another color of it. We can assign with it this, and then we can adjust the color to be a gold or semi-gold material over there. Okay, just something like this. And okay, I will give you about the dimension of every single component over there. And side select uh, for the every single corner or every single side over there. So it will be appear with the dimension and measurement of each part of this table element. So you can see about this, and then you can see about the proportional, and you can adjust it by yourself for the dimension. Thanks for watching, and hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.